Hello friends, today we will discuss two important basic conceptual question of linear algebra which is asked in TFR 2018. So let us start the first question. Denote by U the set of all n cross n complex matrices A n greater equal to 2 a natural number having property 4 is the only eigenvalues of A. Consider the following four statement. So what is the question saying? U the set of all simply n cross n complex matrices where order of matrices can be equal to 2 or greater than 2. Having property means the 4 is the only eigenvalue of all the matrices which lie in the set U. Okay, right? Consider the following four statements. Four statements have given. First is a minus 4i to the power n is equal to 0, a to the power n is equal to 4 to the power n into I. Third statement is a square minus 5a plus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. Fourth statement is a to the power n is equal to 4n I. How many above statements are true? Question is asking about how many above statements are true. For all A belongs to U. A belongs to the set of all complex matrices U. First option is 0 statements are true, 1, 2, 3. So now I start the solution of this question. Firstly come to the important point. What is the important point of this given question? If 4 is the only eigenvalue of the matrix A. Okay, all the matrices which belong to the set U. What is the characteristic polynomial? For considering these all statements, we come to the characteristic polynomial. After considering characteristic polynomial, we can conclude easily which of the following statement will be true, and after that we will count how many statements are true. So 4 is the only eigenvalue of the matrix. You know, if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n be the eigenvalue of the matrix, then char polynomial of matrix A is equal to what? X minus lambda 1, x minus lambda 2, x minus lambda n. Okay, you know this is simply, and here 4 is the only eigenvalue of the matrix A. So what is the characteristic polynomial of this matrix A of order n? Simply we can say x minus 4 to the power n is the characteristic polynomial of this matrix A of n cross n order. Okay, and we know by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we know what the matrix A satisfy the characteristic polynomial, that imply A minus 4 I we can write to the power n is equal to 0. Satisfy means if we put here A matrix, then it will be equal to 0. It means A minus 4i whatever the matrix of n cross n order, after multiplying this matrix n times, this becomes 0. So from this we can say easily this statement will be true. And another way you can approach this question as 4 is the only eigenvalue, then A minus 4i will be nilpotent matrix. Okay, A minus 4i will be nilpotent matrix, then every nilpotent matrix has index of its order. It means A minus 4i is order of n cross n order matrix, so A minus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. Okay, on this way, in this way you can also approach this question. So first become right. Now come to the second statement, is it true or not? So let's see. Take any matrix like take simple example to discard it. Take 2 cross 2 order like 2 2 0 1, a is equal to, okay. So here n is equal to 2. What will be the value of a square? Just 2 2 0 1, multiply this matrix 2 2 0 1, it will be 4 4 0 1, okay. Value of a square this, and value of 4n to the power I, what will be? From here you can see easily, here we have taken n is equal to 2, it means 4n I is equal to 16, 16i, it means 16 16 0 0 this. So we can easily say that this is wrong. So second statement, in this way we can say, from this example we can discard this options. Now come to the third statement. Third statement is a square minus 5a plus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. From here we can factorize this taking as a polynomial easily. A minus a square minus 4a minus a plus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. You can say a minus I into a minus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. Here you can calculate simply as a minus I to the power n, a minus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. So this is right or wrong? You can verify easily from first statement. From first statement we know a minus 4i to the power n is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0, and any matrix multiplied to null matrix become null matrix. So it will be 0. So this statement also true. This is second statement is wrong. Now come to the fourth statement. What is the fourth statement? A to the power n. Simply take similar example as whatever I have taken for discarding second statement. Take a as 2 2 0 1. Now here n is equal to 2. So a square will be 2 2 0 1 2 2 0 1. It will be equal to 4 4 0 here 2 2, here will be 4. There I have mistaken, you can see here will be 4. For doesn't matter, but for correct multiplication you should notice here it will be 4 in for second statement whatever I have taken. So a square is equal to this, and 4n I, what will be the value of 4n I? Here n is equal to 2, it means 8i, and 8i is 8 8 0 0. It is not equal to this. It means a square not equal to 8i. It means a to the power n not equal to 4ni. So this will be similar way discarded. Okay, right? Now you can say what will the correct option. How many of the above statements are true? Only 2 statements are true. So this will be correct answer. Right? I hope you understand easily this way. So what is the concept of this question? How to assume characteristic polynomial, how to assume annihilating polynomial if you have given some eigenvalues of the matrix. So this is the simple question. By this method you apply to another question also. Now come to the next question. this question is very basic question. Even IIT JAM aspirants, CS and NET aspirants can solve easily. But its question is asked in TFR. So let's start to solve this question. Uh, Question is, the minimal polynomial of this matrix is, you have given a matrix, simple a 4 cross 4 order matrix, which is block matrix, so here you can see 2 2 1 0 matrix given 0 0 2 1 0 0 0 5. So you can see this matrix is block matrix. You can make for eigenvalue 2 order block, for eigenvalue 2 again 1 order block, and for this block you can you take as a one single block as this. So if you make block for given matrix, whole matrix, then you can find easily minimal polynomial. What is the procedure, how to find minimal polynomial? See carefully. You know minimal polynomial of this block, you know what will be the minimal polynomial of this block? X minus 2 whole square, minimal polynomial of this block, because if you take x minus 2, so this will be not satisfied, not will be 0. So you have to take x minus 2 square to the power 2 as a minimal polynomial of this block matrix. And now what is the, for this block, and for this block for this block, the single block x minus 2 will be the minimal polynomial, and for this block x minus 5 will be the minimal polynomial. Take simply LCM of x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2, x minus 5. That will be the minimal polynomial of whole matrix this. So what will be the LCM? X minus 2 to the whole square, x minus 5. This will be the minimal polynomial of this matrix. And for verifying, you just put whole matrix at in place of x and 2 as a 2i, 2 identity, and a whole square, that will be give equal to null matrix. So that this is the minimal polynomial by the definition of minimal polynomial. So here you have given 4 options. First is x minus 2 into x minus 5. So x minus 2 square is equal to x minus 5, and third option is x minus 2 whole square, x minus 5. So both are same, maybe here given as a whole square. So this will be not correct, because if you do as this will be not correct. Only correct option is this. You can verify as, if you take for this example x minus 2, it means 0 0 1 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and x minus 5, and multiply, you will not get equal to null matrix. So answer will be this. This is the way. I hope you understand both question easily. And one thing I want to say all the viewers, that if you want to discuss this type important question like point set topology, complex analysis, linear algebra, group theory, you can join my Facebook Telegram group. You can see the link in my our description of this video. So you can join by clicking on that link. You can join Telegram group or my WhatsApp group for discussing this type problem. Join follow my Facebook page also for question of daily question, and all the question solution will be uploaded in this channel. So thank you guys.